Petsa peligro na ba at paubos na ang budget? Today gagawa tayo ng sardinas caldereta na mura sa sangkap pero level up sa sarap. I-pan fry ang potatoes and carrots until lightly browned. Isunod ang bell peppers for a few seconds to bring out their natural sweetness. Igisa ang onions and garlic until aromatic, then maglagay ng patis. Gumamit ako ng regular and spicy sardines in tomato sauce for a bit of kick. Add water and chili peppers and bring to a simmer. Careful lang ang paghalo para hindi mag-break apart ang sardinas. Ibalik ang potatoes and carrots at idagdag ang olives. Haluin to distribute at simmer until tender na ang mga veggies and the sauce is reduced. Timplahan ng asin at paminta kung kailangan. Add the bell peppers and continue cooking for another minute. Ayan, ready na ang ulam na simple pero hearty, tasty at perfect sa kanin mainit. Kung nakatulong ang recipe na to, don't forget to like and share the video. Enjoy!